McConnell Ridge, McLeansville, home is more than where you live, it's where you belong. This thoughtfully designed community offers everything you need for connection, comfort, and convenience. Life here means weekends at the pools, mornings at the clubhouse, play dates in the pocket parks, and evenings on the playground. Even four-legged family members have their own space at the dog park and in your own backyard. Families especially love that McConnell Ridge is in the Guilford County school zone with Southeast Middle and high schools nearby. It's a community where kids can thrive and neighbors quickly feel like friends. Our Energy Star certified townhomes are built to a higher standard. Efficient, comfortable, and designed with your lifestyle in mind. Whether you choose a 1 or 2 car garage townhome, you'll enjoy open floor plans, flexible living spaces, and thoughtful details throughout. And with lawn care included, you can spend less time on chores and more time enjoying life. It's low-maintenance living with the benefits of true ownership. Located just 15 minutes from downtown Greensboro, McConnell Ridge puts you close to everything you need. Grab everyday essentials at University Commons with Target and TJ Maxx. Stock up at Holly Hill Mall with Walmart and Harris Teeter. Or explore the restaurants and shops at Friendly Center. And when it's time for a night out, Downtown Greensboro offers dining, culture, and entertainment just minutes away. McConnell Ridge is more than a place to live. It's a place to grow, connect, and truly feel at home. Discover a neighborhood designed with your lifestyle in mind. Welcome home to McConnell Ridge.